I've been doing this for almost 8 years.
Old.
And I've collected a few key reasons why traders absolutely fail at becoming profitable and give up way too soon.
I give up, don't give up. I give up, don't give up.
And in this video, I'm gonna break it all down for you, and let's get into it. Today's video is sponsored by TradeFuse. TradeFuse allows traders to automatically sync their data into a journal, which also has an AI integrated feature that allows it to kind of recognize patterns in your trading. The journaling software is real time, and it allows you to select and add multiple portfolios to the same synchronized journal. TradeFuse allows traders to look at comprehensive and customizable reports, which allow easy tracking of KPIs in a trader's performance. TradeFuse can also be a really great resource for traders looking to build a following and allows them to actually verify their trading performance. So overall, I highly recommend you guys check out TradeFuse. There will be links down below in the description for more information to get access to this. Also, the team over at TradeFuse has put together a really awesome additional discount for you guys. You can actually get 20% off right now with the code A1Trading. So click that link down below. Now on to the video. On my time on YouTube, I have met a lot of people. I've interviewed hedge fund managers, I've spoken with traders in our Discord room, I've brought on guests to our live show. I have spoken with a lot of traders, and I'm so blessed to be able to do that here on this channel. I'm thankful for it every single day. But it's been a really good learning experience, not only for learning trading things, but also common reasons why people don't seem to make it when it comes to the trading industry. Why do so many people fail at this? And why is it so dang hard to actually be profitable? Well, the first major headwind I think that traders really face is their expectations are way up here, when in reality, profitable trading is way less exciting than it seems.
This is boring. Delete.
And I'll talk about that because, again, when people first get into this, they think that a good trader is really good at predicting the future and knowing what the market is going to do next. Years later, after becoming profitable myself and investing so much time and energy into what I do as a trader, I can tell you that it's not about predicting the future. Profitable traders weigh the probabilities of going long or going short or selling an option contract or whatever they do, right? They weigh the pros and cons and they make educated guesses with proper risk management over many, many trades. And the reality is that that's not very exciting, and that doesn't mean quick profits. You know, I'll back up for a second because let's talk about what new traders tend to do. New traders tend to jump into the markets thinking that a good trader is a very good forecaster and that they're going to win 80-90% of the time with a 2-to-1 risk reward. That's what people think profitable trading looks like. They think that, you know, you're able to very accurately, very consistently all the time call where the market's going to go next. And the reality is not the case. Profitable traders, like I said, they're making educated guesses and they may risk 0.5%, 0.25%, 1% on their account, depending on their risk tolerance and size. But it's not about this trade or the next trade, the next 2 or 3 trades. A profitable trader has an edge over the next 1,000 trades, right? Your next trade should not really be that meaningful to you. And if it is, it's probably more like gambling or high risk trading than it is proper, risk management that profitable traders swear by. If you've ever met or spoken with or listened closely to a profitable trader, you will hear that risk management is so important. But let's unpack that. If you're trying to be profitable, why does every profitable trader talk so diligently about risk management? It's not just to control your emotions so you don't freak out and take a huge loss. That's not what it is. Proper risk management keeps you in the game for the next major reason why people fail at this. People can't handle drawdowns. People think that profitable trading is just a straight line up and to the right-hand side of the chart. And the reality of it is that that is not how all trading works, right? An equity curve does not have to go straight up in order for a trader to be profitable. In fact, no profitable trader always has winning trades every single day, day in, day out. Profitable trading just means that over time, more money is coming into the account than it is going out, but there are still periods where money is going out. right? Profitable trading has swings to the upside where things are really good, and then there are times where you give back some profits. Nobody is exempt from the volatility and sometimes unpredictable nature of the stock market, the currency market, the futures market, whatever you're trading. The markets have chaos built into them. It's its very nature to be, in some cases, very unpredictable and volatile, right? When COVID-19 broke out, the stock market went straight down and straight back up. And very few people, if anybody, would have expected that to happen perfectly. It'd be really cool to meet somebody who shorted the top and bought the very bottom. But again, very, very rare. Some people did it and some people made a lot of money during that time. I personally made a lot of money being long biased on the index, but I lost money before I made money. So even in COVID, when the market went straight down, I lost money on the way down and then I made a lot more of it on the way back up. But again, profitable trading is not just always winning all the time. And the reality is, when people realize that profitable trading means kind of this like choppy to the right, slightly going up over time chart, it's not nearly as exciting and people usually quit. It doesn't take but a few drawdowns or even just one drawdown to convince traders, hey, this is not it and I'm gonna quit. Unfortunately, there's something in the trading world called the 90-90-90 rule. And if you never heard this, it is a sad but true reality about this business. 90% of traders will lose 90% or more of their account in the first 90 days. And it's very understandable why people who get into this stuff and blow 90% of their money, they walk away from it and they say, that was way harder than I thought and I don't want to do this anymore, right? It's not that crazy to say, wow, you know what? I don't blame you. This stuff is really, really difficult. And this finally gets to my last major point about what it takes to be profitable, and a consistent theme among every single profitable trader that I have ever met. Every single profitable trader has this one same trait between them, and that is a passion for the skill of trading.
I love it. I love it.
Nobody I've ever met who is profitable can prove it, track records, that sort of thing, just trades just to make some extra income. You always hear this little mantra in the trading space, like, oh, I do this on the side. I'm just kind of trying to make some money, move in, move out, and kind of add a side income. I don't really care too much about trading. You get those people, but they usually do not stick around. In fact, I've never met somebody who treats trading like just kind of an ATM and sticks around. The people who treat it like an ATM and only care about making money out of this stuff, they do not last, because the reality is the money is not consistent when you're profitable. Even money comes in, comes out. There's not like I punch in, I punch out, and I make $100 a day or $500 a day. It's a nice idea, but that mindset is not profitable trading mindset. Being a profitable trader is much like being an entrepreneur. I run a software business and, of course, this YouTube channel. So I'm an entrepreneur and I also trade. And I can tell you that there are some very similar traits in both. Both of them do not offer consistent every single day, week, month income. They offer varying income. There are times in my business where we have to, put out a huge amount of investment to build some new software thing, and we might not make money for a month or two. And then there are other times where things are really, really good and we're selling software. Same thing in trading, right? The idea is sometimes you have really poor months or weeks, and in some cases even quarters, and then other times you have an amazing run in the markets and you make a lot of your money. Profitable trading is much like running a business, and there's a reason why most people don't run a business and most people prefer to get a job. It's because there's that consistent income, and there's nothing wrong with that consistent income, but you have to understand, if you're going to be a trader, you have to not have that mindset, and you have to understand, like, trading profits are inconsistent. But if you're overall consistently profitable, that idea is not consistently profiting every day. It's consistently over a many trade stretch, you do actually consistently make money. Understand that distinction, because it's really, really important. And if you're going to be profitable, you have to accept that it's not going to be $100 a day, $500 a day. Although it's a nice idea and it's fun to think about, this is not a job that pays you a consistent income. This is like running a business, which pays you very inconsistent income and is understandably at times very frustrating. Trust me, I've running the business side and trading for this long, there's stresses involved, and I understand why some people opt out of not wanting to do that. Quitting this stuff has crossed my mind, as it probably has for everybody during times of struggle. But pursuing this with passion in my, journey here has allowed me to push through those really tough times and to get to the point where I am today, where, I manage a good bit of capital at this point, and I love this game, and I'm in and I'm out every single day of my office, focused on, trading and a passion for this stuff. So like I said, if you don't have the passion, it's probably not for you. That is the driving force that has kept me through all these obstacles, barriers, and struggles to becoming profitable. It's kept me around, and I hope that, maybe you share that. And if you do, consider subscribing to my channel here. Thank you guys very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. If you're looking to improve as a trader, we've got some cool free resources here that I wanted to share as we close today's video. Down below in the description, there is a link to join our Discord channel or our Telegram channel. And we also have our website, a1trading.com, where traders can get access to free course material to help you improve as a trader. Remember, we are also live Monday through Friday on this channel around 9:30 a.m. US Eastern, broadcasting most live news events and that sort of thing. So hope to see you there. And also, we do have a couple videos here showing up on the screen. If either of these seems like it might be helpful to you, then make sure to click here or here, and we'll see you there.